This LED light was sent for my review. I can't wait to talk to you about it because there is a combo here edition that is pretty special. First off, these come in different sizes, and if you choose to get more than one, you can actually connect them with each other or leave them separate, and you can still control them individually or together, which I think is really cool. Now, there is an on and off button, a pair button, so easy to pair, but what am I pairing it to? Check this out. This little motion sensor you can install anywhere. There's a little tape right here in the back. There's a battery inside, and you can have it, right now I have it on daylight. I can have it on nighttime as well. So if it's on daylight and there's motion, or if it's only on motion for nighttime, because there's so many lights, it's not going to trigger anything, right? So it would make sense during the day that it doesn't trigger the light because there's no need for an extra night light. But let's say this is in a bathroom and your child goes into the bathroom, and or anyone really, and they trigger, this is a human sensor basically, they trigger the sensor. And I'm going to start it by putting it on the proper, and there you go. It just turned on the light because it sensed that I was there. The cool thing with this sensor here is that you can have a 30-second or a 2-minute timer, meaning once it's triggered, the light is going to stay on for 30 seconds until it gets triggered again by some movement, or 2 minutes. So 30 seconds or 2 minutes. And then the next thing you can do is, I'm going to show you right here. Hopefully you could see this. You can see this light is changing, and I'm going to make sure that you guys can see it. It's really hard to see, but the light is changing color temperature, so bicolor, cool, or warm, and I can also change the intensity. This is great because obviously I wouldn't have this in my hand, keep on dropping it, because there is a tape in the back here, and you would actually stick this to a wall, to any type of flat surface, and then it would be able to sense that motion. Obviously you don't want this to be moving because it is sensing your movement, not its movement. Makes sense. But yeah, super easy to install, very easy to kind of like figure out and set up, because it takes literally 15 seconds to pair, to get set up, and to stick on a wall. I love that. These come with magnets here. My magnets are actually under the cabinet because I am using this actively right now, and the magnets are stuck to the surface with 3M tape in the back. And like I said, so easy to add on length if you wanted to, and on this side you've got the USB-C that this is used to charge, because this is a rechargeable LED light. There are no batteries in here, which is another super cool bonus.